Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your message problem if your outgoing messages is not showing or any other problem is happening on your message app. Then how you can fix this problem. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open the settings app and click on this. You can see, click on apps and click on manage apps. Here it is search app. You can type here message. You can see this. Click on message app and here you have to just clear the cache and clear all data. Then you have to press back and go to the Play Store app. Then you have to search messages. If there is an update, then you have to install any of the update and it will be fixed, and if not, then you have to simply restart your mobile phone. It will be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.